Once upon a time, there was a little unicorn named Zita. Oddly enough, she was born without a horn. Her herd thought she was an oddity, and thus excluded her as though she was a common horse. She was an outcast, and told she was useless, but Zita did not let that stop her. When the day came for all the young unicorns to compete to prove their worth and status to the herd, Zita was ready. The competition was very important. It helped the elders choose what jobs the foals would be trained for in the herd, and if you failed, you were practically asking for exile. The first test was a test of strength. Eventually, the second and the last competition came. It was a test of magic. The goal was to lift a huge rock. Now, what the little unicorn knew that the others didn't is that the horn wasn't the only thing that made unicorns different, but also their intelligence. After centuries, the unicorns had lost their respect for knowledge in favor for having the biggest and the most powerful horn. So, as the little unicorn's turn came up, she sized up the rock and knew what she had to do. The herd was in an uproar. She couldn't do that. This was about magic, but there was no rule against it. The only rule was you had to lift the rock without touching it. And that's how Zita proved herself and showed her herd unicorns had more than just magic.
Mommy, do you think I can prove myself?
Of course, honey. You and your little feathers are perfect. Don't let anyone tell you differently. You're gonna soar.